This video shows the displaying of data labels in Power BI and DIMS for a very small result set. Although not seen in the video, I am not recording more than 100 labels for values displayed in chart. If the chart has less or 100 values, then displaying the labels can take place. Only few chart types were shown, and among displaying the label for the value, we changed also its location, text angle, color, and basic formatting. I believe it is enough for the cases in which we just want to show the values for our charts. I noticed Power BI might display more than 100 labels, but it is employing some logic which will display only some of those. Not shown here, I noticed it in charting and displaying CPU SQL usage history, and only few labels were displayed, not all of them. On top of this, if you look to the screen, Power BI is not displaying the labels if they might not fit inside the shape they represent on the chart. I noticed that some of the labels are now shown. In my case, I am not checking the width, height of my shape and its associated text width and height in order to find out if I can display it. Inside of the shape, if I choose its location to be bottom, center, top, I just display it. I am thinking that maybe in the future I should replace the bottom, center, top, outside text with its visual counterpart, which might be a square which contains a line 2 pixels from its base, a line in the center, a line 2 pixels from its top, and a line outside of the square. For the next minute, you will see displaying the labels when we have more values displayed. As I said, Power BI and other visualization tools like Tableau might have logic for changing the font color, especially if the foreground for the text we choose is white and the label is outside of the shape we draw. But DIMS doesn't have this because it would require more code, and the goal is not to cover all case scenarios, is to provide the possibility to display the labels in most of the cases. Next post will probably cover line and stack column chart and line and cluster column chart.